process and control it by using the template maker that has lights in it. And we're going to be blocking out a portion that will not be exposed with our tag on that film that's printed with our image. Then we'll wash off all the emulsion, especially the soft part that was left where our image was, and then we will harden off the template all the way by putting it in the template maker one more time. This is the tag on that template maker. Here are the components. We've got a cam lock right here, and this is the switch that will flip it on and off. And you'll see once we've got it opened up that there are two UV black lights inside, and they're going to be the lights that will control and speed up the process of the hardening of that emulsion on our templates. Okay, for step one, we're going to be taking a template out of our container here. Again, we just want to pull out one, since all we will be using is one at a time. Put the others away, and then you can see there is a little plastic coating on every template. That's to protect the emulsion from scratches. We're just going to go ahead and carefully peel that off. Don't leave this on. We've seen it happen before and the results are not good at all. We can go ahead and discard that. And then we will need to use our tag on that film that has our image printed right onto it.
Ahí está el plástico
face down,
que hablábamos, Javier.
On the emulsion or
esa es la hoja, que en una hoja
we'll know that we've done it right
se pueden poner tres de esos templates. Entonces ahí se pone y se pone en la máquina.
We're going to open it up by turning the cam lock all the way. Set it down, face down, onto the glass of the template maker so that the light is passing through the tag on that film and onto the emulsion. We can close that by pushing the lid all the way down and turning the cam lock all the way to the other side. Now we need our timer. The first exposure is going to be for 1 minute. And as soon as I start the timer, I need to flip the switch on my box to turn on the lights for 1 minute. All right, and in 1 minute, we'll come back and we'll see how this is looking. All right, a few more seconds here. And that's our timer. Go ahead and flip off the switch, turn off our timer, and we can see how this is looking. We're going to carefully remove both the template and our tag on that film. And you might be able to see there the image has just begun to transfer. Just a little bit there. Next, we want to take our tag on that black screen. It has this sticker on it. We're going to place the sticker face down onto the colored or emulsion part of the plate. And then back onto the template maker, face down, emulsion side down, close it up again, same as before. And this time we want our timer set for 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, as soon as our timer's going off, flip that switch, push stop, and we can take it out of the template maker. Carefully again like we did last time. And it looks pretty much the same. We're now going to move into the washing process. I'm going to go over here to the sink and turn on some tepid or lukewarm water in just a small stream. We're going to need some tepid or lukewarm water, a small sponge. Then we want to put our template so that the water's running right in the middle of it, not on top of our image. And then we'll wash it gently back and forth. It takes about 45 seconds to get all the emulsion off. We're going to shake the water off and then blow right on top of our image. All in the same direction. Until it's starting to get dry. And then as a tip, we can wring out our sponge, get it as dry as we can, and use it as a sort of squeegee to dry off the template. finish letting that air dry. We're going to finish drying our template using a hair dryer. Any old hair dryer should work great. Don't use any sort of a towel or paper towel or anything to dry the template. It needs to be air dried. Just turn it on to warm. And it usually takes between 1 to 3 minutes to get all the way dry.
Está diciendo que solamente ocupen el ventilador y no ni toalla ni nada para secarlo. Entonces hasta que quede seco.
We're going to expose it one more time, and this is going to seal it off and get it all ready for the embossing process.
Entonces ahí se pone nuevamente
This time the template is unaccompanied.
y ahí se pone ahora 4, 5 segundos.
Exposure is going to be for 6 minutes.
6 minutos. Y ahí queda ese último proceso. Y ahí está listo el
And when
template.
this timer runs all the way down, our template's going to be ready to use in the embossing process. All right, and there's our timer.
Y ese es todo el proceso para hacer la matriz.
Take out our template.
Entonces es muy simple.
We see that it is all ready now. We can go ahead and use it in our embossing process.
Y ahora ese template queda como archivo y ya después pueden usar ese muchas veces. Muy simple.
Store it however works. Thank you so much for joining us. Join us again next time.
Y ese papel que se usa, que es el transparente, puede usarlo obviamente